Hey guys, Polka Dots are fine, big thumbs up. No bike ride video today, due to high winds, because today supposed to be high winds, so I apologize about if you guys are kind of mad. I will try to return tomorrow. If high wind tomorrow, then, I won't be able to go on my bike ride because high winds. If it is more high winds, because today supposed to be the wind supposed to gust up to 50-mile winds today. Hope you guys like these videos. If you guys do, please smash a like, subscribe. So yeah. Please guys subscribe, and I see you in the next one. See ya.